How to fix voicemail not working on iPhone. So there are several ways on how to fix this concern. One possible reason for this could be your call forwarding. If you have this turned on, your calls are being directed to other number instead of your voicemail. So go open your settings application, scroll down and select phone, press call forwarding, and make sure that this toggle is turned off. Sometimes just resetting your internet connection could also help. So pull the control center down, turn on the airplane mode, wait for 1 to 2 minutes, and turn it off now. Now wait for the cellular radio to connect and try your voicemail again. Another thing, there might be a problem with your voicemail service at your cellular carrier. To check this, open your phone, long press 1 until it contacts your voicemail. If this didn't work, make sure to contact your cellular provider's customer support. Lastly, you can try restarting your whole device, so turn your iPhone off, wait for a few minutes, and turn it on again. If the app is suffering a minor problem, this method should solve it now. So that is how to fix voicemail not working on iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.